Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x whose power is x power 4 is equals to 64, and we have to find the value of x power 4. So let's start with the today's video solution. So in the first step, I am going to take more power of x on both sides. Now I'm going to use the property that is a power m is equals to a power mn, or we can say that a power n power n. So I can write it as x power 4 times 4 is equals to 64 power 4. Or we can write it as x power 4 power x power 4 is equals to 64 power 4. Now 64, I can write it as 8 square. 8 times 8 is 64. So x power 4 power x power 4 is equals to 8 square. Whole power is 4. Now x power 4 whole power is x power 4 is equals to, we can write it as, we can use the property a power m is equals to a power m. So we can write it as 2 times 4 is 8. Now on comparing both sides, the value of x power 4 is 8. So our final answer is 8. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and be subscribed to my channel. Thank you.